ká ṣiṣẹ́ ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́ gbóhùn wa. torí lọ́la kó bá yà kún ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́ lọ́la kó bá yà kún ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́ ewé ajẹ́ ewé ń jẹ́ àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jáde lọ ewé ń jẹ́ ewé ń jẹ́. àwọn tá a fi ṣẹ́ mi náà àwọn nìkan náà ń jẹ kó fàyà kú ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ́ ẹni mọ̀nà ni mọ̀nà ẹni tí ò lágàn kò lè mọye tán tágàn bó bá dọjà ṣe ti gbọ́ ẹni tí kò mọ ìwúra o bó bá rí wúra àsọdànù bẹ́ẹ̀ ewé ń jẹ́ lẹ́yìn ọlọ́run ọba ohun tó fi ṣe wúlò fáwọn ọmọ ènìyàn làwa ń lò.
You always experience up and down in your life. You know, all these things are caused by people who work on your weakness to cast a negative energy upon you. You see, these spells are cast to make things difficult for you and to prevent you from achieving your goals. Are you with me? So in today's video, I want to share with you what you can use to destroy monitoring spirits placed on you. If you believe that someone has caused you and you don't understand the way it came from, you understand? So there is a way you can neutralize, destroy the effect of black magic on you. Are you with me? You know, those enemies, they are using monitoring spirits to monitor your activities. So you see these materials you are seeing in front of me is tomatoes and salts with local sponge. If you don't have a local sponge over there, you can use normal sponge, but make sure that the sponge you want to use is a new sponge. You need a new knife. You need a new knife, and you are going to cut these tomatoes into 3 parts. So what are you going to do when you cut these tomatoes into 3? So how are you going to use it? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Winje. And if this is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. And if you don't understand, feel free to call me on 07037422552, or you message me on WhatsApp 09053332747. So in today's video, I want to share with you what you can use to destroy monitoring spirits. And if you believe that you have a monitoring spirit that prevents you from achieving your goals, you understand? So you need ripe ripe tomatoes. You need it. So what you are going to do with this ripe tomato, you are going to cut it into 3 and you remove the middle one. Are you with me? When you slice it into 3, so this one is head. You don't have anything to do with this head, you throw it away. The bottom one, you don't have anything to do with it, you throw it away. Are you with me? Please do not use it to fried rice or stew. You don't have anything to do with it. So the middle one is what you are going to use. This is the middle one. When you slice it into 3, you remove the middle one. So this middle one, you are going to add a pinch of salt. You add it to it, just like this. Are you with me? So you are going to leave it at least for 15 to 10 minutes. You drop it on the floor or on the rug, on the table or anywhere. And before you do this, you must naked yourself. You can do it in your bedroom. So when you leave this on the sponge, you keep saying your intention. You pray to God to remove any negative energy that prevents you from achieving your goals. You understand? Any monitoring power that they are using to monitor your life. You understand? Or to remove the spiritual mark placed on you. I think you are with me. So the next thing you are going to do after 10 minutes or 15 minutes, you take the sponge with this tomato to your bedroom and use it to bathe every part of your body. And one thing is that please do not add soap to it. Baba, please, this thing, if I want to use it to bathe, it's not going to foam. It doesn't matter if it is foam or not. Do not add soap to it. You can only use this one to bathe every part of your body. I think you are with me. When you slice tomatoes into 3, you remove the middle one. You remove this one. Are you with me? You place it on the sponge. If you can't find local sponge over there, you can use any other sponge, you understand? But make sure that the sponge is a new sponge. You now add a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt, you put it on top of the tomato. You allow it to dissolve, you understand? You allow it at least for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, and within that time, you keep saying your prayer, you understand? You now take it to your bedroom you used to bathe. But one thing is that I want you to notice this. When you are using this tomato salt, when you are using it to bathe, you can use warm water, you can use cold water. So if you are using it to bathe, if you express that maybe when you are using it to bathe, a part of your body is very cold, like they put you inside fridge, it will cold, you understand? You know that that place is affected, or that is their point. That is the part of the body that they are using to monitor your life. You understand? Don't be afraid, don't panic. Are you with me? There's nothing is going to happen to you. You understand? So just make sure that you use this sponge and a tomato with salt to bathe every part of your body. You can use warm water, you can use cold water. I think you are with me. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. You can repeat this process at least for 3 days. You understand? In one of my videos, I explain how to use vintage Sudan and egg. You can also apply that egg, that mixture, before you bathe this one. You understand? You can bathe it in the morning and you bathe it in the night. Are you with me? So it's very simple and very, very effective, only if you follow my instruction. So that is what you are going to do. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So after the bathing, you don't have anything to do with the sponge. If you are using local sponge, you burn it or you throw it away. But if you are using normal sponge, like all this nylon sponge, you can wash it and use it for other things. So if you don't understand, please feel free to call me. So that is how to use it, and that is how to do it. Please, if you love this video, help me to like this video. As you like my video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much.
Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde.